Even if it smells clean, it might not be. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Most offices only clean what you can see, but carpets, vents, and high-touch areas trap hidden bacteria. And over time, that affects air quality and hygiene. You need scheduled deep cleaning, not just surface wipes. Scope Facilities keeps your workplace truly clean. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop